Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant graphics driver crashed problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then type device manager. Now after that, once you're here, go to display adapters. Now we will need to update those two drivers here. Right click and update, then second one, and now this one, and then click next, and then go back to the next one here. Go to update driver, browse my computer, and let me pick from a list, and now click next, and after that type here background apps. Now turn off all the background applications here from this one, from this option. Turn it off, and then open after that open run, and now type here local app data click OK. Scroll down, go to Valorant, save it, config, delete crash report client, click delete, then go back to web cache, right click on it, delete it, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.